Menteri Rangba jong sorkar jelang ukonrat sangma hasngi tho diang ulawan banpli umau Nongrim machnai ke Surok Pasyih Garampani kabadan kumba 8.6 kilometer hapok ke skim Meghalaya Integrated Transport Project yakabla bay pisa daga World Bank. Iaka ni Surok Pasyih Garampani labu thong man pendep hapo sapu arbanai naduh belas dang yakam hakajing lut kaba nrifu arklur tingka. Kajing yo yakati ke Surok kapensuk shibun yakipat ba nongsynshar jong kati kathan kibadan hasilin ter Surok kynhup yaka shnong pentai biar chatbukhu nongkro lakadong them bat sapai bat kiwi de kishnong kibadan Lyngba kati ke Surok.
To ensure that the development projects that we take up must be taken up throughout the region in different parts of the state, and we must ensure that development reaches to every nook and corner of the state. In the last few days, we have been traveling to Khasi Hills, to Shela area to inaugurate one of the longest suspension bridges in the country. We have recently laid the foundation stone for one of the biggest stadiums in Meghalaya state, Pasyih Stadium in Tura, Garo Hills area. Today, after this program, after this laying the foundation of this very important road, we will be going to Ïadei to lay the foundation stone for one of the biggest football stadiums in Jaintia Hills area. This is the way that we want to ensure that development reaches every nook and corner of the state. And I take this opportunity to congratulate all the departments that have been in space and is spread throughout the state. I'm also happy to tell you that once the road projects are done, they form the backbone of economic development for our state. When the roads are good, other forms of economic development, economic activity and prosperity comes to that region.
Yo yêu ya cha is nay kro ye học man tre